Making the dough is pretty easy. It's just a straight dough method, which means throwing everything into the mixer and just let it knead for about 8 minutes. The recipe ingredients are listed on my website, and I also have it listed in the first comment here too. So I've been adding fruit puree to my dough lately for a super soft texture, and this variation for peach cheese Danish is proof of that. I've also used banana and pumpkin puree in the past, depending on what flavor I am going for. Let the dough rest and rise for about an hour, and in that time you can make the cinnamon schmear and the cheese filling. Vegan cream cheese, vegan butter, confectioner's sugar, and a spot of vanilla extract is all you need for the cheese filling. Refrigerate that until later, and now make the cinnamon filling for the Danish dough. It's just brown sugar, cinnamon, and vegan butter all creamed together until smooth. Once the dough is nice and puffy and fluffy, roll it out to the same size as a half sheet pan and then spread that cinnamon filling over the entire surface. Now fold the dough over onto itself and then just roll it out to an even rectangle, and then you're going to cut it into strips. I think I had 12 of them, and mine weighed 3.5 to 4 ounces each for a bakery size bun. You can really cut your strips to any size, even miniatures if you cut the dough into 20 pieces instead. Now you're going to roll them into snails, and that small little cut that I made in the middle of each strip, that really helps to roll the snails. Now they get another rise for about another hour, and once they are fluffy and puffy again, make an indent in the center so that you can place that cheese filling. This time though, I also nestled some peach slices in there too, and sprinkled with some streusel topping that I had hiding in my freezer for a moment just like this. Bake them at 375 for about 15 minutes. You may want to lower the temperature to 350 for the last maybe 5 minutes though, so that they don't get too browned. And last, a glaze of clear jelly that's been melted down. I use apricot, straight out of the oven while they're still hot. That's going to keep them shiny and fresh for a couple of days, but I bet they don't last that long. All the recipes are on my website, GretchensVeganBakery.com.